Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've got a little unboxing to do today. This is from Kerikit and I bought this weeks ago and there was a little mishap with shipping, but it's here now, so yeah, everything's good. So I just opened up the end of it, so I just got some paperwork in that box, and as you can see it's a small package. So yeah, it's a Greta. I decided to get another Greta. I really wanted a black croc, but I wasn't fast enough and they sold out. I also did get a poppy, so let's have a look at this. And this is in the black croc. This is my first time seeing black croc. Oh, it's really nice. You know, a lot of people have said that the black croc is really soft, because it's hard to tell, you know, when you're just looking at it, because it looks like it'd be quite stiff, but it is. It's really, really soft. Oh my gosh. I wish I was able to get the black croc. In fact, I think I'd like a black croc in the midi Lennox. I kept looking at that one too, and anyway, I think they're sold out as well in the midi Lennox. But I do believe they may be coming back in the new year. But oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I love the black croc. Oh wow. Wow, yeah, I can't stop feeling it is so soft. Anyway, so I'll just show you my Greta. I did get the oxblood. I have the oxblood in the mini Lennox and I love it. So, oh, we're all tangled up here. Oh, so here it is in the Greta, and it is beautiful. Oh my gosh. I have it in the mink and I really love it. That's what I've actually been using all week. So there's that front pocket. Oh my gosh, it is beautiful in oxblood. And then you get the strap there. There's the back pocket. You get the feet on the bottom, the two zipper pockets here, and then you've got the double zippers along the top. And oh my gosh, so much packing in here. And there's the inside. But it is absolutely stunning. Okay, I'm gonna pack this up and I will do another video. But it's beautiful in the oxblood. This is such a pretty colour leather. I really do like it. Oh, I wish I'd got a poppy in the oxblood now too. But yeah, that's really, really nice. And yeah, I'm in love with this. The croc is amazing. Wow. Anyway, I will do a packing video on these, and I will try and post it as soon as I can. But yeah, wow. Okay, these were so worth the wait. Absolutely beautiful. Anyway, thanks for watching this video and I will see you soon.